Welcome to Pharma Notes. Today we will see about autonomic nervous system and some basic parts of sympathetic and parasympathetic system. First of all, we should know the classification of nervous system. Nervous system is classified as central nervous system and peripheral nervous system. Peripheral nervous system consists of autonomic nervous system and somatic nervous system, while central nervous system consists of brain and spinal cord. Autonomic nervous system is further classified as sympathetic and parasympathetic nervous system. So this is the outlet of efferent autonomic nervous system, and we'll see about major part, that is sympathetic and parasympathetic systems. So the acetylcholine is the principal neurotransmitter at the neuromuscular junction as well as preganglionic fibers. So this is the preganglionic fibers, blue colored, this all preganglionic fibers, and these are postganglion. This all green color are postganglionic fibers, and this is ganglia. So acetylcholine, which is the principal neurotransmitter, we have seen, you can see here is acetylcholine, ACH, ACH, ACH. So it is a principal neurotransmitter. First we will see about the parasympathetic nervous system. In parasympathetic nervous system, the neurotransmitter released at postganglionic fiber is acetylcholine. While in sympathetic system, at most of the postganglionic fibers, these postganglionic fibers release neurotransmitter non-adrenaline. In some cases, it also releases acetylcholine, adrenaline, dopamine. Autonomic nervous system is involuntary in nature, and the activities of this system are maintained automatically. It is divided as sympathetic and parasympathetic nervous system. So let us see the difference between sympathetic and parasympathetic system. These are very basic points. We should remember it, learn it by heart, these points. So first, sympathetic system we'll see. Sympathetic system, it originates from thoracolumbar. You can see thoracolumbar portion. So the fibers of sympathetic system originates from thoracic and lumbar spinal cord. Therefore, it is also called as thoracolumbar. We can see in this image. So this is thoracolumbar outflow. In case of sympathetic system, this is thoracic and lumbar portion of the spinal cord, and all these nerves originates from thoracic and lumbar portion. So therefore the origin of sympathetic system is thoracolumbar. Distribution is wide. Ganglia are away from organs supplied. Again, see this. These are the ganglia which are away from these organs. The ganglia are away from organs in case of sympathetic system, and the post-ganglionic fiber is long. So this post-ganglionic fibers, these all are post-ganglionic fibers which are long in sympathetic system. Pre-post-ganglionic fiber ratio is 1:20 or 1:100. Neuroeffector, we have seen that major neurotransmitter in sympathetic nervous system is non-adrenaline, and minor is acetylcholine, adenosine triphosphate, dopamine, neuropeptide, and The stability of neurotransmitter. So non-adrenal is stable and it diffuses for wider actions. Important function is tackling stress and emergency. When our body is in emergency, where then that at that time our sympathetic nervous system is activated. Now we'll see about the parasympathetic nervous system. What is difference in parasympathetic? The originate or the origin of parasympathetic is craniosacral outflow. In this image you can see this is cranial portion of the spinal cord and this is sacral. So this is origination of parasympathetic system from cranial and sacral portion of the spinal cord. Therefore you can see origin is craniosacral. Next is distribution, limited to head, neck and trunk. Ganglia or on or close to the organ, and postganglionic fiber are short. So you can see this ganglia green colored. These ganglia are very close to the organ. So this is ganglia and this is organ. They are very close to the organ, and also this preganglionic fibers are too short. You can see they are too short. Not pre. Postganglionic fibers are very short in parasympathetic system. It is opposite in case of sympathetic system. Next, neuro effect are transmitter acetylcholine, which is a major one, and minor one is nitric oxide and VIP, that is vasoactive intestinal peptide. Acetylcholine is rapidly destroyed by the enzyme acetylcholine esterases, and the function of parasympathetic system is assimilation of food, conservation of energy. When we are at rest, our parasympathetic system is working. This image shows us the different action of sympathetic and parasympathetic system. So it is very easy to remember as their actions are opposite. In case of sympathetic, there is dilation of pupil, while in parasympathetic system pupil constrict, increase in saliva production, decrease in saliva production, increase in heart rate, decrease in heart rate, increase in heart rate. Indirectly dilates blood vessels, constriction of blood vessels and increase in blood pressure, constriction of bronchi, dilation of bronchi, and decrease in blood flow to skeletal muscles, increase in blood flow to skeletal muscles. Increase stomach and intestine motility, decrease in motility, increase in blood flow to GI, decrease in blood flow to GI, contraction of bladder, relaxation of bladder. In a sympathetic system acts on liver to release the glucose to increase blood sugar, and it also stimulates adrenal glands to secrete the stress hormone. So this was all about basic part of parasympathetic and sympathetic system. In next video we will see a detail about all these systems. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to my channel. Thank you.